Hey guys, Thunder E here, and I have the OnePlus 9 Pro, as you can see, and it's got a ton of features, but we want to check out audio on this device. So welcome to my speaker test on the OnePlus 9 Pro, as well as the OnePlus 9 and a few other devices. But guys, stay tuned to the very end of this video. I have an awesome surprise for you, so watch all the way through. Now let's jump in. So if you guys are watching us for the very first time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification icon, and welcome to my speaker test on the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. Now, the new OnePlus 9 series packs in a ton of features, and this device is no slouch with its dual stereo speakers on the OnePlus 9 Pro and the OnePlus 9. Now, it also comes with Dolby Atmos, which is great, and you will find this with the other device we'll be adding to this video, which is the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now, the 12 Pro Max does not have any extra features like Dolby Atmos, but it's got some really great speakers, and I wanted to see how it actually sounded in comparison to the 9 and 9 Pro, to see if the 9 Pro really hits that mark as a top-tier premium device, and the 9 comes in as a solid, of course, well-priced device at $729. Now, this test is going to comprise of two sections. The very first section, we'll be listening to just music, which would be YouTube fair use music, and the next one will be basically dialogue. The way I set up this video is very different from what you've seen in the past. The distance between my devices, like the OnePlus 9 Pro, and the microphone that's picking it up is about 23 inches, the distance that I usually have from holding my device in front of me to my ear. So giving you the optimal sound listening distance that you would get on average. So without wasting any more time, let's take a listen to audio from all devices and we'll make up our minds. The circles, the lenses, the ports, the Galaxy S21 Ultra. The shimmering midnights, the circles, the lenses, the ports, the Galaxy S21 Ultra. The shimmering midnights, the circles, the lenses, the ports, the Galaxy S21 Ultra. The shimmering midnights, the circles, the lenses, the ports, the Galaxy S21 Ultra. All right, that was quite impressive. Now, all of them sounded really good, and if I were to rate them all the way through, I would say the least in loudness was the iPhone, whether it was either music or it was listening to dialogue. The iPhone had the lowest sound. In terms of clarity, I actually would give it to the OnePlus 9 Pro. I felt it was much clearer. I think in terms of bass, the Galaxy S21 Ultra gives you the most amount of bass. So if you're listening to music that has a lot of bass and you like that and you're gaming, I think the S21 Ultra will be the best audio there. The 9 comes in kind of in the middle, but I think the loudest and I think the clearest to me was the OnePlus 9 Pro. I know, quite surprising. But I would love to hear what you guys think. Do you think the 9 Pro takes that top spot, especially with the high-end devices? Or do you think I'm wrong, or you think it's the iPhone or something else? Yeah, just leave those thoughts down below. But before you do that, I have something special for you guys. As I mentioned, I have a giveaway, which I'll be giving away a OnePlus 9 Pro on the channel. Yes, you get to win that, and all you have to do is subscribe to all the channels on the network. So subscribe to Board at Work, Board Fem, Board Gamer,
Board Shorts and Daniel Sin, leave a comment down below and leave your Twitter or Instagram handle so I can contact you, whoever wins. I'll be giving away a OnePlus 9 Pro, as I mentioned, and 4 other mystery devices. So you've got chances to win. It will last for 2 weeks, but I want to hear your thoughts, guys. Leave them down below. Check out the channels and check out more videos about the OnePlus 9 and the 9 Pro on this channel, and enjoy your entertainment.